I made $1,200 in one day with an automated system, and you can too. Let that sink in for a second. That is more than I earn in two 40-hour work weeks. Now, I want you to think about this. What would you do if instead of waiting 2 weeks for a paycheck, you were able to earn that in just one day? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, why this system works even if you're brand new, and what steps you can take to create income streams without trading your time for money. If you stick with me to the very end, I'll tell you one mindset shift that changed everything for me and might just change everything for you too. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've had a lifetime of chasing dreams, collecting degrees, and starting businesses. Some of them gave me success, and some of them left me struggling financially. But I never regretted following my own path and following those dreams. When I reached the point where I needed to earn extra income, not just to survive, but to start preparing for retirement, digital marketing landed in my lap. I didn't understand digital marketing at first. I had no experience, but the results I've seen have been life-changing. Now I'm here to help you build your own digital success and the confidence to make it happen. So let me break it down for you. What if you could wake up, check your phone, and see that you had earned money without having to clock in or sit at a desk? That's exactly what automation does. How does automation work? It's a system. And this system already has a website built. It has a checkout process that runs 24/7. It has automated emails that go out while you're sleeping and while you're doing other things. It's like having a digital employee 24/7. On the day I earned 1,200, I wasn't stuck behind a computer. I wasn't hustling doing overtime. The automation was working in the background. This automated system was doing all the work for me. It was connecting with people, it was building trust with people, and it was helping them get started on their own. Now, this is the question that used to keep me up at night before I got started. Could this system actually work for somebody like me over 60 with absolutely no tech background? And I found that the answer was yes. The automation actually does all the heavy lifting. It's that automation works while you don't. That's how your freedom begins. Are you thinking, this makes sense, but I need to see how it all fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it all down step by step. Here's the part that shocked me the most. I didn't have to create the products. The products were all created for me. These are high quality digital products that people are searching for and buying every single day. I didn't need to invent anything. I just needed to plug in and follow the step-by-step system. That's why my first big day was so profitable, because I didn't have to split the earnings with anyone. I just earned 100% profit and everything else was handled. Now you might be wondering, if I didn't create the product myself, then why would people want to buy from me? The answer is simple. You're not selling yourself. You're selling something people already want. You're connecting people to something they already want, which is to start learning to earn income online. This is why the system works so well for beginners, because you don't have to be an expert. You just have to be the bridge between what people want and what you have. Are you ready to learn more and see how all this fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I got started, and it breaks it down step by step. But let's talk about the big question that everybody has. How much can you actually make from this kind of business? For me, one day actually brought in $1,200. But even a few sales a week can add up very quickly. Think about it. Even if you just made 2 or 3 sales a day, you'd be earning hundreds daily. Your results are going to depend on your effort, your consistency, and how closely you follow the steps. But the potential is real. And when I realized that one day's income could replace 2 weeks of working 40 hours a week, then everything shifted for me. This isn't just about money, it's about the options that it creates. Extra income means better choices, freedom, and peace of mind. Want to see how it all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact step-by-step plan I used to go from zero to earning online. Here's what made all the difference for me. It wasn't complicated. The system came with step-by-step training. I didn't need coding skills, tech skills, or years of experience. I just needed to follow the directions. I started very small, watching one training video and then the next, and I was earning as I was learning in no time. Now, I'll be honest, there was moments I doubted myself. But here's what I discovered. You don't have to know everything to start. You learn and earn at the same time. And if I can do this and follow these steps over 65, so can you. Sometimes the hardest part is actually saying yes to yourself. Need a clear picture of how all these pieces fit together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the same guide I used when I started, and it's totally free. So why am I sharing this with you? Because I know what it's like to work really hard and not feel secure in your future. I know what it feels like to wonder if it's too late to start something new. And I also know the joy and relief when there's an extra income coming in. It's not just about the money. It's about the freedom, the confidence, and the peace of mind. That's why I want to ask you, what would an extra $1,200 a day mean for you? Would it cover bills? Would it build your retirement? Would it give you extra breathing room? Comment below and let me know. Your answer could inspire others who are watching this as well. When women share their stories, we remind each other of what's possible. And I want you to know that this is possible for you. If I can make more in one day than I used to make in 2 weeks of full-time work, then I promise you it's not too late for you. Don't let fear hold you back. Start where you are, use the tools available, and take that first step. Because freedom isn't just for other people, it's for you too. This automated system is one way to start your journey. Now that you know how I made $1,200 in one day using an automated system, you might want to learn how I earned $8,350 in 1 month using this same done-for-you system. It all starts with watching this next video, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.